I'm Sarah Peck. I am the Director of Communications at One Month. I'm a writer, an essayist, and I love yoga. When you spend all this time making something and then you push publish and you share it in the world and nobody gets it, it's like crickets. It's really frustrating. How do you make something that actually gets shared in the world? There's a ton of awesome resources all over the internet, but there's not a really good place where it's all collected under one umbrella. And I always was wishing that somebody would just make an outline of it all so that I knew what to read and how to get smarter faster. That's what I got to do with this course. I got to take everything I've been reading over the last 5 and 10 years and put it into this really succinct package for you to go as deep as you want. This class is for the aspiring thought leader, somebody that wants to get their voice out in the world. It's also for the business owner, somebody that has a business and they need to share what they do with more people. If you already work in a marketing department, this is a great way to build out your skill set and learn some of the more technical side of things, which I'll take you through. Or if you've never worked in marketing before, this is a great place to start because they take you all the way from the beginning to some advanced skills. So we're gonna start out simply, and I'll show you some of my really easy tricks that have big results in communicating with people and growing an audience. I'm gonna teach you, if you've never done it before, how to start a newsletter and build an email list. Then we're gonna ramp up. It'll get a little more complicated, and I'll show you a lot about audience building, lead generation, and we're gonna use measurement to figure out what works and what doesn't so that we can create a lot of value for your business. We'll dive into things like analytics and growth and find out what's really working. If you wanna move faster or go at your own speed, you can do that because we have different video settings where you can speed stuff up or slow it down. There's tons of bonus readings and additional material below each lecture series, and everything's bite-sized so you can move really quickly through it. In addition, if you're ever stuck or you have a question or you want help, we have forums and I'll be right here as a mentor. So if you want to ask me a question, you can just reach out and ask.